Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. Thank you for stopping by. Time, of course, is a very precious thing, and I appreciate the fact that you stopped by. International markets fear index VIX is back above 20 as investors are spooked by tech, GE, Goldman, and the rising risk of a recession in 2019. The S&P 500 closed down 2%. Let's move on to the currency markets. Euro dollar 112.44. Dollar index 97.55. Japanese yen 113.97. Swiss franc 101. The pound 128.75. The Australian dollar, which is very perky, 0.7212. India rupee 72.635. South Korean won 11.3322. The Rial 376.74, Egyptian pound, which has been steady as a rock, 17.9070, and the Rand, and I said it was a sell below 14.4124. Euro hit a fresh 2018 low, dropped below 112.37, the lowest level since June 2017, on Italy risk and dismal economic data, says Olga. I'm looking for 106 and then 1. In September, the pound was as high as 133. In March last year, it was as low as 122. It's currently hovering just above 129 as of last night, but now 128.75. The prospect of a no-deal hard Brexit is growing, and smelling blood, hedge funds are once again turning their guns on sterling. Look at this Apple long-term daily chart. The stock is part of 203 indices and perhaps in over thousands of ETFs. The current level is very important. Commodity markets, gold 1204.25, still under that big wide range we've spoken about. 1242 caps at 1185 seems to bring out all the buyers. My piece over the weekend was about crude oil, the Crown Prince playing his get-out-of-jail card, and the US midterms. And I was saying the proximity of the beginning of the bear market in crude oil and the disappearance of Khashoggi is no coincidence. The sell-off was manufactured by the Crown Prince and was his response and an attempt to release some of the pressure from the geopolitical pressure cooker. It produced a tailwind, or did not allow the price of gas to become a headwind for President Trump as he entered the midterms. Now behind us, of course, I was saying it was actually a set-up trade. It was the only get-out-of-jail card the Crown Prince could play. The question I asked is, does this keep on spinning lower under its own momentum? WTI full liquidation mode chart of worst case scenario pattern 2014, last trading at $59.18, firmly in a bear market.